My business is called All Dolled Up Boutiques. The reason I chose a boutique as my business is because my sisters run a boutique, so I was able to use their inventory. It was a simple way of getting a business going. When taking this class, I was more concerned about the principles behind the business rather than the business itself. My ultimate goal is not to run a boutique, as much fun as that sounds. I was using this to be able to learn the principles behind it. My website is simple. I used GoDaddy for my domain, and the reason I chose this is because when I was going through all the different ways to do it, I wanted it to be simple. I am not a technology guru, and so GoDaddy allowed me to have the template that I liked and to be able to make it look presentable. On my site, I only have one product listed here. That's just because I only have one product to sell. And so I think that's probably the biggest reason I didn't sell a lot of products, is because if one person doesn't like that dress, then they go somewhere else. If I were to run this business a little bit better, I would go over here and add more inventory and try to make it a thriving business. The biggest lesson I learned in this class is the power of Google AdWords. I had no idea that is how internet marketing worked, and I learned that there is power in ads and in keywords. After this class, I felt it would be very hard for a startup online company to be successful without Google AdWords. I learned some of the ins and outs of making a website. I didn't know how to make a website before, but I was able to figure out how to do it. I'm grateful for this class and for the lessons it taught me. I like how this class made us do it ourselves instead of just talking about doing something. We actually were able to do it. And as you can see, my website's not perfect and my business isn't perfect by any means. But I was able to learn some of the lessons behind it, and I wasn't focused on selling all my inventory, but I was able to learn, how to accept credit cards and how to get it up and running. And so I'm grateful for this class, and I hope to be able to use it in the future with a business that I want to start of my own.